first you have to sign up. I mean, you have to sign up with, you go to quizizz.com/join. Look at it here, quizizz.com/join. When you join, you sign up, you provide your details. This is what you're going to see. This is your landing page. As you can see, this is my back office. So here I have find a quiz, my quizzes. Here I have collection of quizzes that I've already prepared. I have this collection. I can decide to click here. I have 13 reading questions. Here I have 8 for grammar. I have 1 for figures of speech. I have synonym. I have a summary. But let's create a new quiz. Now I can decide to create quiz. I want to create quiz on synonym. I want to create a quiz on synonym. I'm searching. So it has given me tons of questions set by teachers all over the world. So all I have to do is to pick one of them. But if I have to specify which grade do I want, I click here, come to elementary school. When you get to elementary school, you pick the ones you want. If here I have 10 questions, but I need more than 10 questions. What do I do? Just click edit. When you click on edit, it will tell you to teleport. When I click teleport, it takes me to other questions. I can just click and add more question, add. After adding all the questions I want, after adding, for instance, I add this first one. If I'm okay with it, then I click this arrow and click done. Now it has added one more question, making it 11 questions. So what do I do next? I want to play live game. You click on that, then you come here to set it up. If you want them to play classic, if you want it as a test, you can click this. Then you set it up here. Do you want them to have just one attempt? You want them to answer it just once? Then you click and get the right setting depending on your class. Then you click continue. So here I have it's telling me here that, okay, maybe I should start the game. First, I will have to send the link to my students. When I click this, it gives me a copy link. So I will have to go to the WhatsApp group or where I have my students, send the link there. If you need to join me in this game, you will see it posted in the WhatsApp group. You can join from there. Okay, I just sent it to the WhatsApp group. Check and come into the game so that we can start. This will take less than 5 minutes. Okay, I have it in the group. You can click and come into the game. Now, as soon as the students start joining, you will see them coming in with their names. Here I'm still waiting for players to come in. Okay, I'm waiting for students to come in. You can click the link to join the game. And this can be sent to, if you have a Google Classroom also, for instance, you can say, if I click share, I can send it anywhere I have my students. It could be on Schoology, you can have it on Twitter, or Remind, Google Classroom, or Microsoft Team. You can have it in any of this. Okay, is there any problem? I have not, it's showing invalid code. Okay, I have to send again. Please let me know if you have any troubles joining. Okay, I have to send again. Okay. Okay, you may click now. Come in again, let's see. Okay, I have one student is in. Okay, I have Chike Amadi. Chike Amadi is in the game room. Yes, I'm waiting for others to come in. So apart from using the question bank, you can start all over. You can form questions of your own. You can tailor your question depending on the need of your student. And you have various on all the subjects that are available in our school system. So you don't have to start racking your brain looking for questions, but ensure that you edit it properly, check the answers provided, because from my experience, I have observed that some answers provided may be wrong. So try it take your time to proofread and check the question, the answers provided before you post to the student. So we are going to start with these two students. Now, as soon as you click start, they will be able to have access to the questions and they start answering. So let's see what we have here. So here I can see my students playing. I can monitor them live. And if you want them also to monitor what they are doing, you can leave your screen up. You can leave your screen, let them see what they're doing. But you don't want them to see. That means you can stop sharing your screen. But I consider it very fun because most of them like it. They like to see what they are doing live. So I allow my student to see what is going on, because this is not in form of competition. I always tell them at first, this is not competition. It's just to revise what we have done before so that you understand better. So they see their classmates, even though they are far away from each other, but they can play a live game from anywhere they are in the world. So here I can view the leaderboard. I can also come here and see the questions they are working on. Also, Quizizz gives me the opportunity to look at their performance, their accuracy, how accurate they are. Here I have 94% accurate, and here 1% not really okay, but 94% accuracy from the students. Okay. So here I have 4 students in the game room. Okay, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to stop the game because of our time, so that we can analyze the result and see how this can be analyzed and sent to either a supervisor or to parents or to anyone that wants to view the student's performance. Okay. Okay, someone is not in the WhatsApp group. You can send your, if you have Miss Ruth Agada, you can send your, okay, okay, we have it here. Steve just posted it now. Thank you, Mr. Steve. Yeah, it depends on your device. I don't think it requires you to sign up for anything. You can come in straight away. But if it wants you to sign up after this class, you can just sign up so that you don't have troubles with it later on in future. Okay, I have Chiki Amadi who has finished. I have Anissa, and Olayemi as this is almost done. From here, I can instruct them to be fast because I can time them from here. As I'm talking, you can hear me. Everything is just done in real time. So right now, I want to end the game. Sorry for those that just joined us. This is a race against time. Steve is waiting for me. So I can decide to click this and end the game. So here I've ended the game. As soon as I end the game, they will not be able to come in except I repeat the same process. So here I have the those students on the podium. Now here I have the students. Look at what they have done. You have Chiki Amadi, who got 100%. He got all the answers correct. Alayemi got all the answers correct. Anissa got all the answers right. So you can see all this. So from here, I can also analyze with them. We can visit the questions one after the other and see their performance. Here I have 4 students who got it right. No one got it wrong. So you can see all that. So after doing this, I can come back here and either I download what I have, I can decide to download the results, or if you need to send to your parents' email, you can click here and type in the parents' email. And if you need to review the question or play again, if I click play again, the link will be activated and you can come back and start playing the game. So that is it. That's all about Quizizz, but Quizizz has more than this. The more you interact with the site, the more you understand how to manipulate things. So thank you for your time. Now I'm going to hand over to Steve to take it up from there. Thank you for your time.